I get a long beep. Now, GoPro, if you were going to shut down live stream because you want to... I get a long beep. Now, GoPro, if you were going to... My biking helmet. Yeah. That thing is solid. It's got this knob in the back right here. I'll give you a better shot of it. Nice close up. And it's got this little, visor to protect me from the sun. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining on the channel. If you're new, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and also show a like. And if you want to be notified, that's all up to you. Hey, I'm Fish. Thank you very much for joining me. I had a little issue with trying to get sound. I forgot I had my Rode Wireless Go. So I'm heading on out to a wonderful place. It's very early indeed. And yeah, I preset we got a line. Where's the line? Where is everybody? Oh, I'm coming early. Yeah, everything's just like it is. In and out. No waiting of lines, no busy crowds.